Hello students, I am Mrs. Reema Sengupta from Shed Vidya Mandir English High School, Vasai. Today I am going to reteach English Grammar for Standard 7th, Models, Part 3. Promise, will and shall. Will and shall are used to suggest promise or some kind of assurance. Will with I and we and shall with other subjects carry the force of a promise. For example, we will come to your birthday party. This is promise. Next example, you shall get here all the comforts of a home. This is assurance. Request, can, could, will, would. Can and could are more usual than will and would. Could and would are more polite than can and will. Can, could commonly used to make requests, and could and would more polite than can and will. For example, I have to prepare for a test tomorrow. Could you switch that television off, please? Prohibition. Must not, ought not to. It is must not that really suggests prohibition. Ought not to is more like shouldn't. Must not, prohibition to do something, and ought not to, doing something won't be right. For example, you must not walk along the corridor when classes are going on. It is prohibited. For ought not to, example is you ought not to tease the animals. It is the duty. Wish, may. May is normally used to express a wish. For example, may you be happy. Second example, may you be blessed with a long life. Next is absence of necessity. Needn't have and didn't need to. For example, I have brought my umbrella, but there was no need to bring it. Second example, I didn't bring my umbrella because I felt there was no need to bring it. Next is dare. Dare means not to be afraid to do something. It is mostly used in negative sentences and in questions. For example, I daren't go into a lion's den. Second example, the child dared not talk to his father. So children, here the models reteaching is over. You have to practice it for your exam.